Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me another free product, and this is a paid review. So let's get on with this. Today, I have received a hat rack. And who doesn't have a million hats that they need to hang somewhere? They're always hanging on doorknobs or hanging on coat racks everywhere. Why not have a place where you can hang your hats? So here is what I've got here. So I've got all of the hanging gear. We've got the hat rack and all of the hanging gear. So let's hang this up and see what it looks like, shall we? We actually have two hat racks. So I'm going to hang up one just to show you for explanation on how to hang it up. Let's hang this up and put some hats on it. So you can rack. And we've got, for this purpose of this installation, I'm going to use the adhesive way to hang this up. There is actually a way to mount it permanently on a wall too. Some screws and some things that you can mount it permanently on a wall. I'm going to opt for the adhesive portion on how to mount this. So let's go do that, shall we?
I love it.